Fire up the flames, I'll do you damage. Instagram the blaze, I'm sheer con savage. You don't have to ask, you know I have it. No, you don't have to ask, I goddamn have it. Stone cold classic. Classic. AKA's the name. Got blind ambition. Baddest in the game. With Van Gogh vision. You don't have to ask, you know I have it. No, you don't have to ask, I goddamn have it. Stone cold classic. Classic. Tell you, hey, I gotta tell you, hey, if I repeat it, maybe I'll believe it. You don't have to ask, you know I have it. No, you don't have to ask, I goddamn have it. Stone cold classic. Classic.
Oh, y'all get to go first? They did all the work, but y'all get to go first? Okay. Go ahead. Good job, baby.
I'm glad he brought that tractor. It made it a lot faster.
Who brought the tractor?
The guy up there to the right. Hot rod.
Hot rod?
Yeah.
Looks like a little bobblehead in there.
I know, he looks
How
like
come,
a little kid.
how come y'all did all the work, but they get to go first?
That's a good question.
Good job, baby. Boys, y'all did a good job.